5, in interval notation, what is x less than 3? If you think of a number line, here's number 3. We're talking the x is less than it. Not, can I equal it? No. So I have an open circle because I can't quite touch it. I start right after it at 2.999. I'm going to the left forever. So interval notation, you have a number and another number. This is where you start. This is where you end. We always start to the left to right. So how far left? What number does this guy start? He's going all the way forever. So he starts at negative infinity. And then he ends at where? 3. So that's the main thing we have. Now, we do need to say, hey, it does not include 3. We use a parenthesis for that. Infinity is a concept, so you always use a parenthesis for that. What is the domain? The domain are the x values. Which x's have values? Well, it seems, here's your x. We're going left to right. It seems to have something from negative 3 until I get to 3. So negative 3 to 3. We're going to put this in interval notation here. So it starts at negative 3, ends at positive 3, right? Now, does it include negative 3? No. So I'm going to put a parenthesis. Does it include this 3? Yes, it had a big darkened part there. So boom, I use a bracket to show that it includes it. The next one saying is what's the range? The range are your y values. Well, the y is this. It seems to go from a height of negative 2 to a height of what? 1. From negative 2 to a height of 1. So we say, hey, it goes from negative 2, ends at 1. Now, at negative 2, it doesn't include it, so I'll put a parenthesis. At 1, it does include it, so I'll put a bracket. And there's the range for what we have here on number 7.